Hope you all are fine. Welcome to the English Academy. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to all the characters in the novel The Secret Garden, written by Frances Hodgson Burnett. So, start with the very first one. She is Mary Lennox, a 10-year-old girl who is also one of the protagonists of the novel. Protagonist means the main lead. In the beginning, Mary is described as a sour and rude little girl who has been accustomed to being endlessly catered to by her servants in India. After her parents' death, she is sent to Yorkshire to be brought up by her uncle Archibald Craven. The secret garden and the new friends she finds change her for better. The next one is Colin Craven, the second protagonist of the novel. Colin Craven is Archibald Craven's 10-year-old son and heir and is Mary's cousin. He was born shortly before the death of his mother, and his father does not like him because of his resemblance to his mother. Because of his sickness, Colin believes he is going to die soon, and as a result, he is always sad and gloomy. Gradually, he becomes better and develops an optimistic attitude about what he wants to achieve in future. The secret garden and his belief in magic transform him too. Third one is Dickon Sorby. Dickon is the 12-year-old younger brother of Martha, Mary's main servant at her uncle's estate. He has the charisma and power to charm animals and people alike. Here comes Archibald Craven, is Mary's uncle and the master of Misselthwaite Manor. He suffers from ill health and has been constantly mourning his wife since her tragic death 10 years prior. And as you told before, that this is the same reason that he does not like his son Colin Craven, because he believes that to some extent, just because of him, his wife died, and he does not like him anymore, and he does not even meet him on regular basis. She is Lilias Craven, was the wife of Archibald Craven, the uncle of Mary. She had died 10 years ago in the secret garden, and those who had known her considered her as the gentle, sweet, and beautiful woman. Ben Weatherstaff is a groundskeeper at Misselthwaite Manor. He is one of the first people Mary befriends when she arrives at the manor. Though he often has a gruff exterior, Ben eventually warms up to Mary and they find common ground in their mutual disagreeableness and desire to isolate. Susan Sorby is the mother of Martha and Dickon. She is a strong maternal figure who is described as being very generous and warm, much like her son Dickon. Dickon and Martha are her children, and Susan Sorby is their mother. Martha Sorby. Mary's friend and maid servant, Martha is liked for her charming frankness and level headed approach to all aspects of life. Here comes the second last character. She is Mrs. Medlock. Mrs. Medlock is a housekeeper and servant at Mrs. Waite Manor. And this is the last character. Dr. Craven is a cousin of Archibald Craven and serves as Colin Craven's doctor. So these were all the characters that are included in this incredible and interesting story, The Secret Garden. Let me give you a recap about the characters. Mary Lennox and Colin Craven. They are the protagonists or the main leads of the character. Then comes Dickon Sorby. Archibald Craven is Mary's uncle. She is his wife who has been died 10 years ago. Ben Weatherstaff is a groundskeeper. He takes care of the plants or the garden around the manor. She is Susan Sorby. She is Martha's and Dickens' mother. She is Martha, a maidservant, Mrs. Medlock, and Dr. Craven. If I give you a comprehensive overview of the novel, so The Secret Garden is a story about Mary Lennox, who lives in India with her parents. She is a young bitter girl who is spoiled by her ayah and servants and neglected by her parents. After a deadly disease results in her losing her family, she is sent to Misselthwaite Manor, Yorkshire, to be raised by her uncle, Mr. Archibald Craven. Her loneliness and curiosity leads her to find the secret garden which has been locked for 10 years. Join Mary and her friends in their exploration of the secret garden and other secrets of the Misselthwaite Manor with this exciting and engaging read. In my next video, you will be having uh, a comprehensive overview of the chapter number 1 of the novel, and the number chapter number 1 is There Is No One Left. In that video, I will give you the meanings of some difficult words found in the chapter, and then I will be explaining you the chapter, that what is the chapter all about and how the this beautiful story is going to be started. Still, if you are having, I hope the lecture is clear to everybody. All the characters are clear to you. And still, if you are having any question, any query, you can ask me in comment section. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.